Another question we get a lot, people want to know how our pipes enter our burrito wrap systems. So we have a quad pack monster drain here for an in-ground swimming pool. Beautiful home in Macomb Township, Michigan. Beautiful pool. Homeowner wants to make sure everything's handled properly so he can enjoy that pool and it doesn't become a headache with a bunch of unexpected costs with liners getting water behind them and ripping and tearing, and liners are not cheap. Okay, so this is a solid high octane pipe. What we have here is the same exact pipe that Baughman Tile uses when manufacturing the French Drain Man high octane yard drain pipe. It doesn't have any holes in it. We asked them, could you please give us some high octane non-perforated, because we know how strong the 8-slot high octane is. It's the strongest single wall pipe in the world. So we wanted the strongest solid pipe in the world. So we asked for a solid high octane and we got it. So here's the solid high octane, the French Drain Man high octane right there, baby. Manufactured by Baughman Tile Company. Okay, so look at how nice that is. Do you see how clean that is? So what you do is you just cut a really small hole. You undersize the hole. And you just push the pipe through, and the pipe will now have this incredible seal with the fabric. Look at that. I mean, there's no dirt getting in the system. The stone's not going to fall out. I mean, it's just well done. So this is actually the 5th pipe that entered that burrito wrap, because it's a quad pack of the 8-slot high octane with a solid for the roof runoff system. And as always, we're just using the same trench. Anytime you can utilize a trench for additional drainage on your property, we encourage it. Now the FDM 12-inch round, this is becoming a norm for us, and I'll tell you why. Not only are you going to move all the water, and there's not going to be any problems with water backing up in the downspouts and cascading over the gutter trough on the roof of the house, but the grass doesn't grow over it because those little pop-ups are 4 inches. And if you put those NDS speedy basins in that are only 6 inches, same result. Grass just grows right over them. This 12-inch round, grass is going to have to work extra hard, extra long to ever grow over that. All right, everybody. Until that next video.